Hello YouTube, Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I want to encourage you to look around in the channel and see what the channel has to offer, and I'm sure you will find something that will catch your interest. If you're a regular visiting this channel, I want to say thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate it. And for this video, I want to share my thoughts with you about the products such as beer balm. This container of beer balm was sent to me by the company 1821 man-made with the purpose of making this video. If you are interested to find out more about the company 1821, I will include the link of their website in the description of this video. They are a USA company based on Texas, mostly known for their grooming products. Their grooming products is marketed for gentlemen, but they have many different things there that can perfectly be worn for ladies. If you are interested in different styles too, they have a blog where they walk you through how to apply their products to achieve the styles they have on their website. Now, products such as beer balm is probably nothing new for many of you, but for me at least, this was a new product. I never had the chance to apply it before. I never had the chance to wear beer balm before. Back when I grew my first beer in high school, nobody ever told me such a product exists. So I thought I'd go over with you and discuss a little bit of beer balm. And beer balm, for what I found out, it can be utility products that it can have many different purposes of the use of it. One of the purpose probably is to bring back some of the essential oils that your hair may lose each time you wash your face. And beer balm probably has some of the ingredients that are made to put back all those essential oils that you lose each time you wash your face. Another purpose for beer balm is to style your beer, like to keep it, to prevent it from looking disorganized and unkept. And the third reason, at least for me, is to use it as a moisturizer in my hair and my facial hair, and also my skin under the hair. I tend to have a dry skin, so products such as beer balm has been really handy for me, and I really enjoyed wearing it every time that I wear it. The scent in this beer balm here, it kind of reminds me of mainly vanilla scent, probably blended with honey, with a note of honey and some other sweet scents. And to apply this product, what I like to do is just grab a tiny little bit, like this much, probably the size of a pea, and emulsify it in my palms, just by rubbing the two hands together until it gets well dissolved. And with that, I proceed to just apply it over my beard, making sure I cover every single bit of it, including the mustache. And because this product, it was developed for the use on the human skin, it is perfectly fine if the excess of your hands, you rub it in your arms, and that way you get more of that vanilla scent going off your skin, projecting off your skin. It is actually very pleasant. I happen to wear this on the family get together and didn't get any bad feedback. So that's all I do to apply the beer balm. I am glad this product is widely available for everybody nowadays, and I will actually recommend it to anybody who grows facial hair. You need to get on board and try to keep your facial hair looking great. So that's all I have for this video. I really appreciate if you leave a comment in the comment section and let us know what your experience has been with your facial hair. If you like to if you like to try different products to keep your beard looking great, if you like to wear different products to keep your beard looking great all the time. So thank you very much. I will really appreciate if you consider to share the content of this channel with other people that you may know they will find interesting this type of conversation. I will also appreciate if you consider to connect with me in other social media. I will post the link of all my social media in the description of this video. And also consider to subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to grow this channel as much as I can, so I will really appreciate some of your help with it. Thank you very much. I hope you consider to come back next week for another video. Until then, stay well. Bye.